5, 6, 7. I was once told real gangsters go to heaven. Real though. 8, 9, 10, 11. Guess what? I spent 90 racks on an old lad Chevy. Call me Bumpy Johnson, I got hit up and kept on stepping. Lucky Luciano, where I'm from, I make shit happen. Pull up foreign snatching, I got a thing for fashion. I told her let's go to dinner, go get dressed and keep it classy. Under investigation, too many problems, too much problems. I took 7 million and buried it out there by the water. Mountain in the Bentley, smoking moon, rocks. Pocket full of mother blue guap.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to ONDGAS Show, and we're back with another video, guys. And today's gonna be an exciting vlog just because we got 2 killers on the trailer. Now, you guys might be wondering what's going on, and we will get to that in just a bit. I just want to remind everybody that the C7 Z06 giveaway that we had going on, it ended July 28th, this Sunday that just passed. So I hope everybody got their entries. You guys literally had 7 days to get entered, all the way from July 22 to July 28th, Monday through Sunday, 7-day giveaway. The winner number 1 is gonna be taking the badass car home. Winner number 2 is gonna be taking $3,000, and winner number 3 is gonna be taking $2,000. So $5,000 in cash prizes and the badass C06 C7 giveaway, which was making 900 horsepower to the wheel. So good luck to everybody participated. We will be going live August 1st, which is gonna be tomorrow, Thursday, live on our YouTube channel. So y'all stay tuned for that, like around 7:30ish at night, from 7 to 7:30, somewhere around there. If you are active on our social medias, we will be posting the times there. Now, if you are not following on our social medias, make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We're gonna put the links down here so you can go make sure you get a follow. So good luck to everybody that participated on that badass car. And if you didn't, that's cool. That was our official first car giveaway that we've ever done in all these years that we've been doing giveaways. Now, we got the trucks. We got more trucks coming. Now, I kind of wanted to mix it up a little bit for you guys. Want to give you guys a badass car, and that C7 Z06 for sure was a badass car, but we're gonna go back on the grind with the trucks, and then I'm gonna find another car, and then we'll be doing another car giveaway here pretty soon. But we're gonna continue with the badass trucks, of course. I'm doing a couple of builds that you guys don't even know what I'm working on right now. You don't know what's coming up, what giveaway's coming up, but I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be a badass giveaway. The next truck coming up is gonna be a badass giveaway. We are here with Gangbang, and of course, we got the killer Crawfish. We haven't been racing much. We've been busy with other stuff, but we wanna go back to the track. We wanna go back to the streets and stuff like that. And we do have an event here in October coming up, which is gonna be the Cletus show, and we might be taking the Crawfish truck, also maybe the Gangbang. We also got an October Truck Madness, which is gonna be another badass event that we do, and it's gonna be a 4x4 class as well, invitational only. So if you got a badass truck, make sure to hit us up on Instagram, on Facebook and stuff like that. Make sure it's fast too. You don't want to invite, you know, all the fast, cool people to our show. And of course, this one's gonna be there. This one's gonna be there for sure. We might have the Cyclone, we might have Red Bull, and then everybody else is gonna be a bunch of diesels, the Midnight Crew, and everybody. So you do not want to miss out. October Truck Madness. We will be revealing the date here pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned for that. But I'm right here with my boy Timmy.
Yes, sir.
Now, we brought the Crawfish truck and the Gangbang because there's little stuff that we need to fix.
Yeah, a little kitty stuff.
Let's get it off the trailer and then we can talk about it. All right? Let's go. All right, guys, so we're here with my boy Timmy. Now, you might recognize this guy. He's probably been on our vlogs before. My boy Timmy used to work with Skinny Man back in the day, a couple years ago.
Yeah.
What, 4 years ago?
Yeah.
Okay. And now he got his own thing going on. As you know, Skinny Man's missing. I'm still looking for, he told me it's $50,000. And you're, right? Yeah?
I'm a bounty hunter.
Okay. So, my boy Timmy here is gonna hook us up and help us out with some stuff that we actually need work done here on Crawfish and on the gangbang. Now we had a little incident the other day and we actually collided. We actually had a incident between this truck and gangbang. My boy Perrillo was actually the spotter, and I was backing up this truck and I backed it up into the gangbang truck. So we ended up fucking up one of the wings on the gangbang truck, and we ended up fucking up this piece right here on this one, which is what do you call this?
The wicker.
The wicker. So we ended up bending this shit up, fucking up all the Allen bolts, the little bit, you know what I'm saying? We kind of fucked up the carbon fiber. So I hit up my boy Tim, see if we can actually get this fixed, and that's what we're doing now. Now we're gonna be adding a new sheet here, right?
Yes, sir.
This is still good.
Yep.
Just new bolts here. We keep this.
Yeah.
We're gonna do all this new.
New wicker.
Yes. Now this is staying the same. The side wings are staying the same.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna change this. Are you gonna leave it like this, or you gonna do a little design or something?
I'll probably just leave it like that.
Just like that, okay. So keep the original look. Everything on this one is pretty much ready to go. Just we need to fix the issues. The 4x4 was broke and we fixed that. Now we gotta fix this, and then after this we can head to the track and turn it up and see if we can go faster. Now it's been hot, and it sucks when it's hot because you gotta wear, you know what I'm saying, a jacket, pants. Besides that, the
5-layer racing suit.
besides that, the cars don't even run that fast because it's hot. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you got turbos and stuff like that.
The track's hot and gooey.
The track's hot, it's gooey, the surface is not that great. It's not gonna run really, really fast because the humidity, the DA, everything, all the stars gotta align for us to make a badass pass and a fast pass as well. So we're kind of waiting for it to get a little bit cool down, you know what I mean? And we go to the track and enjoy it, because right now it's hell. I know these guys, they be going to the track every other day, every time the track's open.
I don't.
Oh, you don't?
No.
Well, racers do. The real racers do. I'm not a real racer. Okay.
Fuck that.
You're a chassis better. I don't even know what I am. I'm calling myself a YouTuber. I'm not actually a real racer. We race only whenever we feel like it. We haven't been racing in a long time, so I don't consider myself a racer. But we do got some fast trucks, and we will be going to the track here pretty soon. So my boy Tim's gonna fix this on this one. Now let's go talk about the other one. Guys, and the gangbang truck. So like I said, we crashed the Crawfish with the gangbang back to back, and we ended up messing up the wing, the fin. This is the fin, the wing, whatever you want to call it. This is messed up. So my boy Tim is actually gonna make us a new one, but he's gonna give us 2 new side plates, and then the carbon fiber on this one, for whatever reason, it was a little bit cheap because the clear is coming off. So it's kind of, you know what I'm saying, it looks cheap, the clear is coming off. I mean, you can see it two-tone here and there. So he's gonna be replacing both of these sheets with new carbon fiber, and these are gonna be brand new. And nobody got this, right? Not another truck? Not yet?
Truck.
Not yet?
Not
okay.
truck.
As long as another truck doesn't have this just yet, because then they're gonna be talking shit. You know how they are. So we're gonna be doing this. We just gotta paint them black pretty much.
Yeah.
And it'll fit, right?
Yeah. Well, this ain't for the truck. You know,
Okay.
it's for a car.
Okay, but it's gonna be something like this.
Something like that.
Okay, so it's gonna have this nice little edge.
Bead rolled in.
Bead rolled and stuff like that. Hell yeah. For sure, we just gotta paint them black. He's gonna give us 2 new side fins for the gangbang, and then you got the carbon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Another thing that I do wanna add to this one is, see if we can align the doors. And maybe, you got this new?
Octocarmer? No.
Yeah, you don't?
No.
How long before you can get some?
Probably within a couple of days.
A couple of days? I wanna put new, and I wanna put the rails.
So you can grab one to the pull it?
Yeah, because if you look at it, it looks flat.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It looks kind of funny. So if we could put the little rails, it'll look a little bit more, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Other than that, I was gonna see if we can raise the steering wheel a little bit, but I don't know how much work is that. The steering and the seat, this is too low. I mean, I can still see,
Yeah.
but it'd be nicer if we do a little bit more, you know?
How much higher?
Like everything, probably like an inch and a half. Like the seat 1.5 inches, and maybe this 1.5 inches. Or maybe it's just this.
It's just a steering wheel.
Yeah, just the steering wheel. I feel like it's too low. Maybe like an inch and a half. Like this.
Yeah, that's not a problem.
So that's not too much hassle. And
Up on the cage.
yeah, it's kind of tacky. But then if we do it here, we're gonna fuck up this light right here, right?
Yes. That would have to be moved. What I could do different. Oh, my bad.
No. It's out of different.
Get it higher for you.
I guess that can be a little bit better.
Yeah, that's a lot better. You're right next to your hand, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah. I feel like somewhere right here. Not too close,
Yeah.
But like right here,
Yeah.
you just push it. I mean, up here will be ideal, but then I don't want to mess this up. This is already nice and painted and stuff like that, you know? So just the steering wheel, just a little bit higher because I feel like it hits with the... Like
It kind of looks like it needs to be a little bit further back for you. It looks like you need like a wheel extension on it.
That way or this way?
Towards you.
Just a little bit. You think that's too much?
I don't know if I can get that much out of it, but I definitely try.
Pick it up a little bit and just try to pull it back a little bit. I mean, this is drivable, but sometimes when you're doing this, it's hitting the legs.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it just needs to be on the high. I know on Crawfish, I'm like right here.
Yeah.
But everything's tight on Crawfish, I'm like this.
Yeah.
And it feels good, and when they get squirrely, I feel safe. This one is, and then this one gets squirrely. So let's pick this up, whatever, an inch and a half higher. Maybe pull it out a little bit, not too much. Not like this. This is perfect right here.
Mm-hmm.
At least 2 inches up.
2 inches up? Okay.
Yeah.
And then this, you're gonna have to move the screen too, right?
Yes. All that connects to the...
Oh, okay, everything together.
Yeah.
Okay. Other than that, and then on both sides, AV, line them up. All right, guys, so we're pretty much done here. My boy Tim is he already knows what to do. We're gonna add some stuff in the back. Maybe cut some weight on this one. Now this truck is already kind of light, but we can always get a little bit lighter and we want to go faster. So that's the plan for this one. We also do have new coils in the front that might give us a little bit more travel. Now on these 4x4s, you can't get all the travel, you know what I'm saying? Because then you put the axle on a bind and we want to keep these axles straight, right? Because if not, we're gonna snap them.
Yes, sir.
Correctly. It's not like a two-wheel drive car, two-wheel drive truck where you can get all the travel, all the no prep cars where they see, almost doing a wheelie and the tires are still on the ground. We can't do that on this just because we have a front axle which turns the front wheels, and that axle likes to be straight, even with the front diff. So straight diff, straight axles to the tires is where it works perfect. And if it's on the bind like this or like this, they're gonna break. So I feel like we can still add a little bit more travel on this truck. This truck does have no travel at all, nothing like Crawfish. So we can put a longer coilover on this one. Maybe we can get a little bit more travel, and maybe the tires won't come off the ground, because that's the last thing we want to do. Tire comes off the ground, it's spinning. When it comes down, we're gonna break an axle. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So we ain't trying to do no wheelies on this one. We're trying to keep all 4 tires planted to the ground. We're gonna be doing that. And right now we're gonna head back to the shop because it's about a 2-hour drive. Timmy said it's not too far, but it's far. We're over here on the north side. Like, we're on the north side where, like, we're out of the dangerous side, but we're like out here in the sticks. You know what I'm saying? Just a bunch of white people out here, no signal. So we need to go back to the south side. So let's go.
Go back to the brown side.
Yeah.
First day out, it ain't even been 24 hours. We having our way screaming, fuck all the cowards. Who would knew that this world would be ours? Pouring down rain like little bit money showers. Said think about papers for hours.
All right, guys, we're back at the shop. Just doing a little bit of grass, moving the trailers, washing the 5500, wash the sport chassis as well. Now we are getting ready for Atlanta Madness, which is going down this weekend, guys. Now we've been busy with the giveaway. We haven't talked much about the upcoming show here in Atlanta coming up August the 3rd, which is this Saturday. So it's going down at the Atlanta Motor Speedway in Atlanta, of course. On the Gas will be there. Project Torque, Isma, Bandas y Trocas, the whole 9 yards. My compa Chuy Ramirez. It's gonna be a badass show. You do not want to miss out. August the 3rd, Atlanta Madness at Atlanta Motor Speedway. We'll see you guys there. So make sure to pull up. Concert, show, burnout, the whole 9 yards. We will be there, of course, supporting everybody. So I'll see you guys at Atlanta. Now, giveaway goes down tomorrow live on our YouTube channel. Only on our YouTube channel, guys. Don't fall for the scams. If you get a message on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram, text, whatever. I just literally received a message today talking about, why am I charging $300 fee delivery charge? And I'm like, bro, what are you talking about? He's like, well, I got a message saying that I won this Ford. It was a Ford Mustang. And I was like, bro, that's just not us. If you watch our vlogs, if you know On The Gas, you know we do the cool stuff, and all our giveaways or live on our YouTube channel. So this giveaway ended this Sunday, guys. I hope everybody got the entry, and we'll be going live tomorrow. And like I said, winner number 1 is gonna be taking the badass car home. Winner number 2 is gonna be taking $3,000 in cash. Winner number 3 takes $2,000 in cash, $5,000 in cash prizes in total, and of course a badass car. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna give you guys an update on the Red Bull with my boy Mena, so that you know that's gonna be pretty fun, because my boy Mena, he's not all there. I'm gonna tell him not to take his meds tonight. I'm gonna tell him not to take his meds tonight, so he can be a little crazy tomorrow, so we can give you guys a badass vlog. So see you guys tomorrow, and good luck to everybody.